People are making six figures a year doing some of the simplest service businesses out there. So in this video, I'm going to cover 7 simple businesses that you can run by yourself with no employees and make 6 figures a year. I break down these businesses and show you examples of people who are running them. I'm actually one of the examples.
I am super excited, especially for those followers and subscribers who would reach out to me literally every single day asking for free access to my course. Well, unfortunately, I don't even have a course. What I have is a 99% done for you program. The program starts with this training video. Link to the training video is in the description. But this video is free to watch. You can watch the full training video 100% free and even learn about every section of our business, every step of our business 100% free by watching this video training. However, there is a catch. I literally have no course to sell. Yes, we have a course in the program. No, not one. We have multiple courses inside the program. And those courses will not make you money. They are just to give you guidance on what to do, what steps to take, so you can take the best advantage of our 99% done for you system. So yes, the program is 99% done for you. We do the 99% work. In the course, we show you how you do 1% of the work. So literally all the people who are making money like this from our program have gone through the same process. It was easy for them, simple for them, because the program is 99% done for you. None of these busy people have time to watch and go through a training or a course and then take action and do everything themselves. So every day, some people reach out to me and ask for the free access to the program. Unfortunately, here's the catch. Because it is 99% done for you, it is not free for us. We have to pay tons of money, time and effort to actually be able to do the done for you part for our members. But I get it. Because of the nature of the program, it's not cheap. So when someone reaches out to me, I inspire them to start something service-based that they can start without spending a lot of effort, without spending a lot of money. And when I saw this video, I got seriously inspired. Now don't worry, I'm not just going to show another person's video. I could have just referred you this video, but I will actually deep dive and show you how you can learn all by yourself. Learn in details about a business that you can start without a huge budget and without making a lot of mistakes.
Examples. Before I expanded my junk removal company, today we're in over 40 cities nationwide. I started, it was just me profiting $200,000 a year by myself with no employees using a very unique approach. All you need is a little bit of hustle and a simple business, and you can go out and make 6 figures a year by yourself. So without any further ado, let's jump into these 7 businesses. Solo business number 1 that you can make $100,000 a year with.
As usual, before I begin, I actually analyzed the whole video. I know about all the businesses he's talking about, and I have a comparison table, and I have a good news for you. Look at this. All the methods he mentioned, all the businesses he mentioned are more or less beginner friendly. They have $100 per day potential, and the maintenance is super easy. And on top of that, here is something really interesting. I always analyze why the video creator made the video. So number 1, and he sells a junk removal website template, which is totally fine. He's selling what he's already using himself. Promotes his newsletter, which is also fine. Builds credibility by showing he has done it too. Appreciate it. Grows YouTube views plus ad revenue. Someone like him deserves it. I am absolutely not affiliated to him. I don't even personally know him, but I love the video. Let's go and check the first one.
With is one that I've talked about before, but I just love this one. It's so simple, and I break down exactly how you can get to 6 figures a year by yourself with this and show you an example of someone who's doing it. So this is picking up dog poop. Erica
doesn't look good and doesn't sound good. And if I'm showing this video to you, you must be disgusted and angry with me. Before you leave me forever, watch this video fully and completely. I really have a lot to share.
Krupin from Krupin's Poopin' Scoopin'. She started her business within the first year. She was doing $100,000 by herself with no employees. She actually breaks down exactly how she did this and how someone else can do it too.
That's the whole point. Now, instead of watching his video, have fun and then forget it, we want to go to AI and ask, what are the things I should know? Give me a complete list of as many side hustle like these as possible, just by expanding the hustle comparison table, and go. Now, you are not limited to scooping dog pooping. It's growing bigger. We know money is a byproduct of giving first. And that's why we make these videos every single day. And we make them as valuable as possible so you get inspired and inshallah you get results. If one person get results, one person get inspired, we will consider ourselves, our effort as successful. But we cannot do it without your help. We need you to engage in this video, like this video, ask questions in the comments, share with your friends and family, and important, subscribe to our channel. If you engage, then YouTube will consider our content as important content, and they will share with more and more people, and inshallah more and more people will get the benefit. And if that happens, you will also be the part of the blessings. So go ahead, like, share with your friends and family, subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet, make sure you switch on the notification bell button, and ask your friends and family and social media contacts to subscribe as well. We have a goal of getting 10,000 subscribers in next 30 days. And we cannot do it without your help. I'll give you a second to take action. Done? Let's go. Now we have a table of 25 business ideas. Let's see which one is the most beginner friendly. Of course, poop scooping, and it seems solar panel cleaning, mailbox painting, refinishing, and pressure washing has 5 out of 5, $100 per day income potential. Expand the table, add a serial number column at the beginning, and add a column for what skills do I need, what tools do I need, and how much budget do I need in order to start these businesses. Wow, look at the expanded table. Now we have got new columns: skills needed, tools needed, startup budget. And if you are on serious budget, then the first two, I mean poop scooping, window washing, mailbox painting, and card number stenciling would be your best bet. These are the skills you need, and these are the tools you need in order to start these businesses. I don't know whether window cleaning is a thing in your area, but this side hustle is not as nasty as poop scooping, but it only needs basic cleaning skills, squeegee, bucket, microfiber cloth. That's all you need as tools. And of course, the startup budget is only $50 to $150, and that's it, just to buy the tools and probably some basic marketing stuff. Okay, now I said, I love the window washing idea. I need you to research on podcasts, YouTube channels, and other authentic sources where I can learn about this in details. Enter. Okay, I got some podcasts, 1, 2, 3, 4 YouTube channels, and other guides and communities. Why not check this YouTube channel?
Hey guys, it's Darren at Green Pro Clean Limited. We're window cleaners.
By the way, that's a 7-year-old video, 390,000 views. But here is the best part. Once you select a video, other relevant video recommendations will be on the right hand side. Now, if you want better recommendation from YouTube, watch this full video and engage with it. Like, you share, you download, you comment, then YouTube knows that you are interested in this video and they will show you more and more video. Now, if you want to learn more about the business side of things, which this video is not, this video is about how to clean windows like a pro for beginners, window cleaning like a boss. But the business side of things are somewhere right here on the right side. Another tip is very important. The window cleaning agents and the tools, do more research on those tools and agents and chemicals. Make sure you search with the main keyword. Then you will get some serious and some good advice, because those cleaning agents and tools companies want you to succeed in this business so you can buy their stuff. Got it? You're welcome, Habibi. In order to do that, you can also ask ChatGPT, give me a complete list of tools, chemicals, agents I need in order to run window cleaning service business. You can also add your location. All right, now you have it all, Habibi. Go through each of them and they will teach you how to build the business. Wow. There are section 1, section 2, section 3, traditional window cleaning tools, pure water-fed pole system, chemicals and cleaning agents, safety gear, admin and marketing tools. Subhanallah, there are a lot. Want to go pro? Full setup, $1,500 to $2,500 budget. Add water-fed pole system, add DI tank or RO, la 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 la. You can go into details if you start this business or whichever business you choose to start. Okay, now let's have a look at some podcasts. WCR Nation, the window cleaning podcast. I don't know what that is, but I want to have a look. Wow, water-fed tips and tricks. WCR Nation Window Cleaning Podcast. How to scale your window cleaning business, rescheduling for window cleaning business success. I want to know what their business is because, as I told you, If they are some kind of service provider to window cleaners, then they want you to succeed. Their website name is windowcleaner.com. Well, I cannot reach the site, maybe because I'm not in their country. I don't really know. Okay, now you need some clients. You need some work. So I would ask, I want to start earning with this business from tomorrow. What do I do today to prepare fully? So that's a 24-hour Window Warrior launch plan. I'm going to walk you through exactly what to do today in 10 simple steps so you wake up tomorrow ready to make money. Step number 1, name your hustle. Let's say Glass Act Window Cleaning, Panel Relief, Clear View Pros, Squeegee Squad. Good. You will need a name for flyers, Facebook, and getting that pro vibe from day one. Essential tools locally 1 to 2 hours. Now this will take only 10 minutes of your time. Then you go buy essential tools locally. It will take 1 to 2 hours. These are the regular stuff and you will need $80 to $150 budget. Don't overthink this. Go simple. You're bootstrapping, not building a NASA space mob. Now create a Facebook business page 20 minutes. Make a simple flyer 30 minutes. Post on local Facebook groups 10 minutes. Tell friends, family, neighbors 15 minutes. Walk the neighborhood after 5 p.m. when your neighbors come back from work. Make a Google business profile. It will take 30 minutes. Practice cleaning one window at home 15 minutes. Make a simple price sheet optional. Small home 99, medium 129, large 149. Forget about it. You want to start getting paid from tomorrow. That's it. It can be just 99, the lowest. And tomorrow, show up, clean, smile, and get paid. Bonus, what to say to customers. Hi, I'm just getting started and I'm offering launch specials to get my name out. I use pro gear and clean all your windows inside out. Guaranteed sparkle. You now have tools, name and page, flyers, Facebook presents, first leads, and confidence. Now there are a couple of tips. I would ask ChatGPT, design a sample flyer, make it look creative, stands out, professional, and put imaginary information. Now you don't even need Canva. You don't need Photoshop. You can do everything using ChatGPT. In case you want to know how serious it can be, yesterday I launched Facebook ads and these are my ads. So I'm basically spending my hard-earned money on Facebook ads using ChatGPT made images. This one, this one, this one, and the top performing one is this one, and this one. I can even show you results. We didn't make money yet, but in case you have ideas about how Facebook ads work, the link click-through rate is 3.23%, 3.7%, and 3.1%. That's awesome. It's like the Kung Fu Panda saying,
"You are awesome."
Subhanallah, your flyer is ready. Habibi, there is absolutely no excuse why you can't start a business from today and start making money from tomorrow. Now, do you want to keep wasting your time? It's super easy. Keep watching these videos or keep scrolling, Habibi. Keep watching other people's videos. If you want to do what we do and you don't have money, which doesn't make any sense. You want to make money from home, but you don't have a budget to learn, then it absolutely doesn't make sense. But here we go. Here is something you can do. Something that we do all the time. You can make videos like these rant videos. What is a rant video? So question number 1, go to my YouTube channel and search with R-A-N-T rant. And then you first watch this video, then watch this video, then watch this video, and then watch this video, and you will learn everything about the videos I make every day, which are called rant videos. In case you don't know, some other big guys also make these kind of videos. This is the jet guy. He sells $50 million jets. Most of his most popular videos are rant videos. Look at this. These are all rant videos. Millions of views. Our students and members are doing the same and getting good results. By the way, Uddhav is not doing that, or Joshua is not doing that. They are professionals. They already have their own audience. But Osman does that. Ilham does that. Rabbi does that. And if you want to do what we do and make money, start from watching this free training. My program is not free, but this video is free. At least you can have a clear idea what the business is about, how we use AI and make those rant videos and make money. And at the end, if you have question, you can ask our AI chat assistant and it will give you answer just like me. But if you are serious and you want to speak to me one-on-one, DM me on Instagram or send me an inbox message on Facebook. I'll be more than happy to answer all your questions. If you like this video, gently hit the like button. If you dislike this video, then share with your friends and family, because whether you liked it or not, it could be helpful to your friends and family and your social media contact. And if you think we are doing our best to try and explain to you how you can change your life, and you want to watch the next video, then make sure you subscribe to our channel and switch on the notification bell button. And make sure you ask your friends and family and social media contacts to subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button as well. This way, you will help us get 10,000 subscribers in next 3 months. To learn more money techniques, watch these videos, and we will see you on the next one.